Welcome to the Introduction to Scholarly Research video series. This is video 5, General Search Tips. By the end of this tutorial, students will understand and be able to apply Boolean operators and Boolean search modifiers and know how to create a basic search string. Boolean operators and search modifiers help us to connect all of our keywords together. The picoterms, synonyms, and mesh terms that we found during the previous step of pulling keywords and using mesh. They are used all together to create a sentence that databases will understand. We use AND to connect each of the different parts of the question we're asking. AND narrows. It forces the database to not only find all the terms in the string, but to find where those terms intersect. So in this example, we don't want just politics or just youth. We want articles where both terms are found together. We use OR to connect the synonyms we found. OR broadens. We're asking the database to find any articles that contain either of the terms listed. In this example, we want articles that talk both about the death penalty, capital punishment, and both together. We use NOT when we want to eliminate a term. NOT narrows. We are absolutely 100% sure we want one term, but not some other closely related term. In this example, we're asking only for articles pertaining to sex ed. We don't want to see any articles that talk about abstinence only. We also don't want to see any articles that talk about both together. We want to pretend abstinence only doesn't exist. Then we have the Boolean search modifiers. The quotes will help you group terms together into a phrase. One of the main reasons why you get millions of hits is because search engines and databases are automatically stringing the terms together in such a way as to get you the most stuff. By placing quotes around your phrase, you are forcing the database to get rid of all the noise and just give you the exact phrase you're looking for. Asterisks allow you to expand upon endings of words without having to write all the words out. For example, take the term transplant. If we put an asterisk at the end, we also get back transplants, transplanted, transplantation, etc. You do want to be careful with what you choose to be the root for your word, though. If we take that same example and instead use trans asterisk trans, we're getting transplant and all of its variations, but we're also possibly getting transsexual or transportation or any other word that begins trans. Parentheses help you give priority. This works along the same idea as the order of operations in math. Databases don't read left to right like we do. They read based on operator, and the AND operator always comes first. You'll be using parentheses to group your synonyms, forcing databases to read the synonyms all together before stringing them with the other terms. So here are some examples of the basic search strings you can create using Boolean operators and search modifiers. If we use our politics and youth example, you can see that the first search string is the most basic, with only an asterisk at the end of politic trying and get terms like politics and political. The second string demonstrates how parentheses are used to group synonyms, forcing the database to find either politics or civics as they relate to youth. And the final example groups two sets of synonyms and includes quotes around young people, so databases don't search for the term people on its own, which would skew our results in a way we don't want. For more information on the individual parts of the scholarly work process, you can view the complete series on the Medical Scholarship and Medical Databases LibGuides. Each tutorial is only 5 minutes and will give you a good overview of the entire scholarly work process. If you have any questions about any aspect of scholarly work, please do not hesitate to contact either of your health sciences librarians. Our jobs revolve around this exact process and we'd be happy to help you through it. Thank you.